Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Real quickly, if you're new to this channel, the way it works is I search all of the job boards daily, looking for the best places that are scam-free and that are hiring for remote work from home positions, and I try to round up just the best ones and share them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. But in today's video, hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something from everyone. We have a proofreading job, we have Zillow hiring, we have Journeys, the retail store that sells shoes and things like that, hiring non-phone customer support, like answering emails. I think we even have like a healthcare type position in here. So we're going to dive all in. If you need any additional information, including links to any of the pages that I share, timestamps, all that can be found in the YouTube description box below this video. But diving right on in, first up we have the company ExamWorks hiring. Now ExamWorks has 421 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an IME report, a proofreader. Now, please note this is like medical reports, medical records proofreader. And it asks the question like, are you a medical assistant, certified nursing assistant, medical scribe, and you're trying to make the leap from in the office to work from home? They're just kind of plugging that as this would be perfect for healthcare professionals trying to leave the patient care realm and move in a work from home position, but it's not required that you be one of those. You do just have to know medical terminology and anatomy of the body, but this is a 100% remote work from home position. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that would work for you. They pay up to $24 an hour, and they're really looking for somebody to basically perform the quality assurance review of medical reports, medical correspondence that comes in, and then addendums or supplemental reviews, making sure that they are clear, concise, and evidence-based. So the reporting, fact-checking, all of that, making sure that all client instructions and specifications have been followed and that all questions have been addressed. So you're just reviewing and supporting all the clinical citations and references where applicable in these medical records. You might have to consult like medical journals or publications, making sure that all the content and format is formatted correctly. And you'll verify any peer reviewer that has attested to facts that there's no evidence of reviewer conflict. So you'll make sure if you have to have like somebody review things and they've signed off on it, that there's no basically like conflict of interest. It's not the person's best friend or anything like that. They are looking for somebody, though, who has a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. And again, somebody just who has medical office experience, a knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy, things like that. You don't have to be like a certified nurse or anything like that. You do have to have great grammar skills, though. You are proofreading these reports. Great communication skills, and of course, be able to follow like HIPAA guidelines and maintain confidentiality. Now, next up, we have the real estate company Zillow hiring. Zillow does a lot of remote work from home positions. So if you don't mind being in like that mortgage, rental, real estate type industry, bookmark Zillow's website and keep a check on the new positions. They are always posting new remote positions. They have 2,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a product support expert for their follow-up boss, and this is going to be, again, remote for the United States. Now, please note, Zillow has started doing something that I wish most companies would do. We're starting to see this a little bit, but Zillow is putting the end date of when they are accepting applications right on top. So they are accepting applications through October 21st, so you've got 3 days left to apply. But Follow Up Boss is their CRM system that they are using, focused on helping real estate agents and teams build successful businesses by getting organized and engaging their real estate leads, creating that accountability, and driving, of course, sales and results. So this is a software platform or a CRM platform that is geared towards real estate agents and teams. And so you are basically going to be the subject matter expert of this functionality and this software platform that Zillow offers, answering those incoming phone calls from the customers or real estate agents, and also answering those support tickets with customers. Now, those support tickets are coming in through Zendesk. That's the platform that Zillow uses, but customers may need help with things like maybe they signed up for a free trial of the software. Maybe they want to cancel it and not use it. They just figured out it wasn't for them. Maybe they want to convert their free trial to a paid subscription of this platform and software and start using it for their teams. All their account management you are going to be helping them with, just monitoring those customer accounts, looking out and addressing for warning signs of when the customer looks like they're going to leave and churn over. You're trying to keep these customers loyal. And of course, these new customers coming onto this platform, you're going to onboard them, making sure their accounts are just set up and ready to go. Pay for this position depends on your location and experience, but starts anywhere at $23.50 an hour, goes up to $37.50 an hour. And they don't require any kind of a college degree, just somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment, be a problem solver, have great communication skills, somebody who can be patient and empathetic with people. So you've got to have just like that positive attitude. Now, next up, we have TaskRabbit hiring. And no, you don't have to go to people's houses and put furniture together. TaskRabbit has 168 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a performance specialist. Now, this is remote again for the United States. And if you've never heard of TaskRabbit, they are a company that basically outsources people to do small tasks. So you can get on TaskRabbit and hire someone to come put your IKEA furniture together that you don't want to do, or to come do small tasks like that. So of course, the company TaskRabbit has a whole customer service team, and they are really looking for somebody to analyze scoring metrics for all of their customer service channels, identifying areas of opportunity for the region that you are scoring and grading and responsible for. So you are working with the customer service team and with the leadership team to understand their KPIs, their performance metrics that they are required to abide by. And you are providing that feedback and coaching to the customer service representatives as well as their supervisors when their performance is impacting the regional goals. So you are basically monitoring and analyzing, reporting on these reps and just scoring them, grading them, and making sure they are meeting their metrics. You are providing weekly and monthly analysis and reporting to their supervisors. And so you are performing these quality evaluations. You will also support new hires and coach and guide the new hires coming on board the customer support team. Again, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has an understanding of customer support processes, dashboards and tools, how to kind of look at the metrics, somebody who can work independently, but then also be a team player. Somebody who is great at problem solving, analytical skills, and you've good with coaching and giving the feedback. Pay for this one is fairly decent, though. It is $61,000 a year up to $72,000 a year. But moving on along, next up we have Journeys hiring, the shoe retailer. They sell a few clothing items as well. Journeys has 3,300 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a chat support representative. This is going to be a seasonal job for the upcoming holiday season. It is remote work from home, though. Now, please note, even though it says you are joining their seasonal call center as a call center representative, their call center seems to be separated out between those reps that work phone work and those reps that work the email and chats. And in this role, they are specifically looking for somebody to handle those customer service chats that come in through the website and those emails that come in off the website or contact us forms. So you are going to be doing all non-phone customer support for Journeys, just helping the customers place orders, track orders, update orders, cancellations, providing them information about products on the website, how they can get those products ordered. There's going to be a lot of orders coming in though for the upcoming holiday season. So you are just going to provide the best customer service that you can, updating their tracking information, letting them know, promising them that their packages are coming in, handling all the refunds, things like that. Now, they are looking for somebody who has prior customer service experience. Retail experience is preferred, but it's not mandatory requirement. They say as long as you have some kind of customer service type experience, somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment and be a problem solver, you can kind of handle that conflict resolution positively and professionally, not getting upset with the customer. They are looking for somebody who can work varying shifts. They have multiple shifts available. They are listed right here. And other than that, as working from home, you do need a distraction-free workspace that you can work from home. And it does look like you're going to have to provide your own computer equipment. So you will have to have a home computer to be able to do this job. No college degree is needed though, just a high school diploma. And sadly, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, this seasonal position goes through, it looks like January 11th of 2025. Next up, we have DXC Technology reviews. They have 28,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims processor. This is U.S. remote work from home, and it says that you can be in any city, so it doesn't look like they have like any state restrictions throughout the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to conduct correspondence related to their client's request for information. So the client's request comes in, they want information for their account, and you are going to send that correspondence out. You'll be evaluating and validating available information for claims, verifying like contract information, effective dates, statuses of claim eligibility, just identifying any needs for additional information. So you'll contact the appropriate source if you find that additional information is needed to get that information. Now you'll verify beneficiaries on the claimant's account, identifying like payment amounts, things like that. You are just basically verifying a bunch of data and information. Now this only requires a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 3 years of some kind of insurance or claims processing experience, someone who's worked with insurance or medical terminology in the past, or experience working with like financial software packages. So this means you've really got to know how to navigate around a computer and use multiple software systems like Microsoft Office, have good problem solving skills. But pay ranges dependent on things like location and experience, goes anywhere from $35,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. Now, last but not least, we have the GOAT group hiring. I thought I would just throw a little fun one in here. They have 217 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a metadata curation specialist. This is remote for the United States, but this is going to be in the fashion realm for all of you fashionistas out there. They are looking for somebody to really join their catalog operations team, being responsible for the curation and maintenance of the metadata as it relates to all of their products in their catalog. So you are working with the metadata, and metadata a lot of times is basically the tagging of the product, right? The color, the size, the types of materials or features, that is all the metadata that goes into like a product. So you are going to work with the fashion curation manager, trying to understand the primary focus for categorizing all of the data in their fashion catalog. So they are looking for somebody to basically assemble these products in this catalog, making sure that everything is tagged correctly, understanding what the team's frameworks are, being able to debug any issues and tech issues that you have as you come up. Now, they do highly prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree and 2 years experience in some kind of like e-commerce or marketplace environment, but it does say they'll take relevant experience over the degree as long as you possess extensive knowledge about fashion brands, streetwear, vintage items, and trends, and you can do a lot of research into fashion and trends. You have a strong ability to prioritize work, be prompt to meet your deadlines, and great people skills, ability to basically research, gather data, document, and share information. Pay for this one, though, is quite high. It is $28.17 an hour on the low end and goes up to $35.29 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, I could never make any promises, but feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I read those and keep a running list and try to keep an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. But don't forget, if you enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.